Hey, welcome back. Yeah. Let's continue. So we are good here because we have all this data. So let's add some useful data here, like shipping message or something. Yeah. Like this is a, I don't know, good product, something like that. What is supposed to be here? Phone number. Usually phone numbers start with a 0, I guess. And then what else? Plot number 2, plot number 1. I think the other data looks fine. So if I click next, it saves that data. I come back, I still find it. Okay, please use register and checkout to easily get access to your order history. Okay, so here you can put your own message that you want. This is definitely not a message we can put here, but what we can do is, let me go up here. This is entirely up to you what you want to write here. So instead I will say something like, please fill out the following. Fill out the I don't know what to say here. Please add some information below. Or we can say something simple like fields with a star are required, something like that. Yeah. So let's refresh. Fields with a are required. Okay, so we are good here. The only thing is the next page now, where we're supposed to show a summary, and this thing is asking for the variable rows, which it definitely cannot find. Okay, so how do we fix this? So let me go to my checkout.summary.php. This is the view that we need, and it's looking for a variable called rows, this one right here. But all this is irrelevant here because we don't need to show any of this stuff. The only thing we need here, let's see, there's a form here, and yeah, none of this, and then this one back to checkout. So all this is good, but the form is irrelevant. So I'm going to delete the entire form. So start with the closing form section down here, up to the opening, and delete. And also we don't need this PHP section right here. We also don't need this information right here. Oh, maybe we do. So what I will say here is just change this. I think please should always stay because it's polite. Please check the information. Please confirm. Is that how you write confirm? Please confirm the information below. And let me center this guy just for the heck of it. So style, text align, center. Yes. So let's see what we've got so far. Refresh. Okay. Still complaining about rows. Please add some items in the cart first. Okay, I think that's a valid point if rows is not set. But rows is not what we're supposed to be checking for. We're supposed to be finding something else. But before we do this, I want us to copy what we've done inside the orders.php here, because essentially this is what we want our customer to see. Okay, the order itself. So the whole table here is a good idea to copy. So I'm just going to copy the whole table from line 20 here up to the end right there. Okay. All right, so the information though, where is this? Yeah, I think this is cool. Table stripped. What is this one here? Okay, let me come back to orders here. Wait a minute, on click, show event. Okay. All right, so this is all good. Let me come back now. Once I've copied that table, let me come back to summary, checkout.summary here. I'm just going to paste my table here like so. So of course I will get some errors because the variables inside here are not, we don't have these variables. So we just have to spend the rest of the time fixing those errors, right? So for each orders as order. So this is where we have to get these rows instead, or orders, depending on what we want. So I'm going to check for orders instead, copy that and put it here like that. Okay, goody goody goody. So order ID, yes, all those are the details that we need. Okay, good. So let me come back here again and refresh. Okay, so nothing much changes except that we are being asked for the orders variable here, which is all right. So now let's come back to the checkout controller here. My battery is almost going low, so 20 minutes remaining, which I think is plenty of time. So let's come back to checkout controller inside the summary here. Okay, so let's see exactly what information qualifies as an order. What are we saving there? So what we can do is, maybe what we can do is read from, where is this? Rows is equal to row. This is the part that we create a row from. Okay. Hold on a minute.